Welcome to Decode Finance, where we unravel the complexities of the financial world to empower you on your journey towards financial freedom. In today's video, we'll be sharing our top 5 investing tips for beginners, so grab a pen and paper and let's dive in. Tip number 1, start with the basics. Before diving into the stock market or complex investment vehicles, it's crucial to understand the fundamentals of investing. This includes concepts like compounding interest, risk management, and diversification. Tip number 2, set clear goals. Define your investment objectives, whether it's saving for retirement, buying a house, or funding your child's education. Having clear goals will help guide your investment decisions and keep you focused on the long term. Tip number 3, educate yourself continuously. The world of investing is constantly evolving, so it's essential to stay informed. Read books, follow reputable financial news sources, and consider taking courses or attending seminars to deepen your knowledge. Tip number 4, start small and be patient. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Begin with small amounts of money that you can afford to lose and don't expect overnight success. Stay disciplined, stick to your investment plan, and allow your money to grow over time. Tip number 5, seek professional guidance when needed. While it's empowering to take control of your finances, there may come a time when you need expert advice. Consider consulting with a certified financial planner or investment advisor to help navigate complex decisions. And there you have it, our top 5 investing tips for beginners. Remember, investing is a journey, and the key to success lies in patience, discipline, and continuous learning. For more financial tips and insights, subscribe to Decode Finance and join our community of savvy investors. Together, let's decode the world of finance and build a brighter financial future. Thanks for watching.